Here's another remake of this 12-inch Windmere oscillating table fan from the 80s. This was a yard sale find of mine from years ago that I got from a house that I was moving in. It's one of my favorite design of 80s oscillating table fans with these piano buttons, the badge of this design, and the vents here on the back. And I was lucky finding this fan because this is a cool design, one of the coolest designs of table fans to me, especially the import ones. This was made in Taiwan according to a sticker underneath. This fan was cleaned up and oiled when I got it. And originally there wasn't the smiley face sticker I added on. The plate has always been brown like this. I'm not sure what the car was originally unless it changed to brown from the years of use. I'll show on all 3 speeds and the oscillating feature, which still works nicely. Here's a knob here to adjust the position of the fan till it's not friction or clicks. Or all the way down like that if necessary, and it's nice for drying floors after mopping. There is yellowing on certain parts of this fan from age, sadly. Like the motor cover here is yellow. I'll get a close look here. This oscillating butt pin here is yellow too, but luckily I was able to get this apart for cleaning and oiling without having to pull this out because of the opening size here. Some deteriorating plastic here. Oil yellowing there. This knob here. This seems to be painted here, peeling off. And this is yelled here. Here's a startup on low. Very quiet fan. And I'll show the stick underneath here. This fan was also made by Coolhorn, for those who are wondering. The sticker here is different from the Coolhorn brand models. For Windmere, no year on of manufacture. I couldn't find the year on this fan for when it was made originally. There's model number NR12. And this was before Made in China Windmere fans of this style, with the gray blades, a different style badge. And there we go, that's a remake of this Windmere oscillating table fan from the 80s.